If you or your child are suffering from dryness inside the nose or have thick and crusty mucus, using ocean spray, non-aerosol can help. It adds moisture to the nasal passages, making the mucus easier to dissolve and soften. This is especially helpful for babies and young children who have stuffy noses and cannot blow their noses. Using this product can make the mucus easier to remove with a nasal bulb syringe, relieving stuffiness and making breathing easier. It contains a purified gentle salt solution, also known as saline or sodium chloride solution, and does not contain any medication. It can be used as needed throughout the day to help with nasal dryness and mucus. When using ocean spray, non-aerosol, simply spray the product into each nostril as needed or as directed by your doctor. You can also use it as drops or a stream. Be sure to follow all the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. It's important not to touch the container tip to the inside of your nose. If this happens, make sure to rinse the tip with hot water and dry it with a clean tissue before recapping the container. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. Remember to always use this medication as prescribed by your healthcare provider. When using ocean spray, non-aerosol, side effects are unlikely to occur, but if your nose is very dry and irritated, you may experience a stinging sensation. If this persists or worsens, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. It's important to note that many people who use this medication do not experience any serious side effects. While it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. If you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, it's essential to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. As for the best time to take this medication, it is important to follow your doctor's instructions regarding the dosage and timing for ocean spray, non-aerosol. If you have any concerns about the usage of this medication, do not hesitate to discuss them with your doctor or pharmacist. Before using ocean spray, non-aerosol, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. It's important to be aware that this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues. It's also crucial to let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you are using before undergoing surgery, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Ocean spray, non-aerosol is safe to use during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. Always consult with your healthcare provider before using any medication during these times. Remember to follow the recommended daily dosage and take the medication at the optimal timing as advised by your doctor. When using ocean spray, non-aerosol, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. It's possible that this medication could impact the effectiveness of other medications you may be taking, or increase your risk for serious side effects. To ensure your safety, it's crucial to keep a comprehensive list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to make any changes to your medication regimen without consulting your doctor first. This will help to ensure that you are using ocean spray, non-aerosol safely and effectively. No cases of overdose have been reported with the use of ocean spray, non-aerosol. This product is safe for use within the recommended dosage. Sharing this product with others can increase the risk of infection. It is important to use this medication only as directed by your doctor. Ocean spray, non-aerosol is a nasal spray that is used to moisturize and relieve dryness within the nasal passages. It can also be used to help clear congestion and improve nasal breathing. This product is safe for daily use and can be used as often as needed to provide relief. The optimal timing for using this nasal spray is typically in the morning and evening, or as directed by a healthcare professional. The daily dosage will vary depending on the individual's needs, so it is important to follow the instructions on the packaging or as directed by a healthcare professional. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep this medication out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. When it is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard the product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.